Welcome back to HiFi AV Tech, your destination for premium audio equipment, cutting-edge AV systems, and detailed product reviews. In today's video, we're taking a close look at one of the finest digital audio components in the high-end space, the Rotel Michi Q5 CD player and DAC. With luxurious design, advanced internals, and incredibly flexible connectivity, this unit represents a powerful digital front-end solution for any serious audiophile. If you're thinking about elevating your CD playback or digital audio system, stay tuned. You're about to discover why the Michi Q5 is turning heads in high-fidelity circles. The Rotel Michi Q5 reflects a commitment to precision engineering and minimalistic beauty. From the first glance, the premium CNC machined aluminum chassis gives off a sense of durability and luxury. It features a top-loading CD mechanism that isn't just about aesthetics. This approach provides practical benefits, including better disc stability and reduced mechanical vibrations. Every element, from the textured surface to the smooth mechanical movement of the top lid, feels premium. This isn't just a digital component, it's a statement piece that merges form with function and sets the tone for what lies inside. At the core of the Michi Q5 is the ESS ES9028PRO digital to analog converter. This chip is widely regarded among audiophiles for its ultra-low distortion, wide dynamic range, and exceptional resolution. The DAC supports high-resolution PCM files up to 32-bit at 384 kHz and also decodes DSD4X. Whether you're playing standard CDs or streaming high-resolution files via USB, the DAC delivers a transparent and natural sound with remarkable detail. Vocals are lifelike, instruments are precisely placed in the soundstage, and the overall experience is both accurate and emotionally engaging. One of the standout engineering features of the Michi Q5 is its dual toroidal transformers. These are manufactured in-house by Rotel and are designed to isolate the digital and analog voltage power supplies. This physical and electrical separation helps reduce crosstalk and interference, preserving the purity of your music. The transformers are low ESR and are supported by independent voltage regulators that manage motor-related electrical noise separately. The result is a cleaner, more refined audio output with blacker backgrounds and increased low-level detail. This kind of power isolation is typically reserved for top-tier components and is a major contributor to the Q5's outstanding performance. The top-loading CD transport on the Michi Q5 is a rare sight today, and it stands as a symbol of Rotel's focus on playback precision. The loading mechanism is solid, smooth, and built with CNC machined aluminum, enhancing both aesthetics and function. This construction minimizes resonance and vibration, ensuring consistent disc rotation and accurate data reading. Combined with a precisely calibrated laser pickup system, CD playback on the Q5 feels analog in smoothness and detail retrieval. It is clear that this unit was designed for those who still value the sonic character of physical media, presented in its purest form. Although the Michi Q5 is a dedicated CD transport, its real power lies in its flexible digital input options. It includes a 32-bit 384 kHz PC USB input that supports MQA and DSD4X, offering compatibility with modern streaming and high-resolution digital sources. You also get coaxial and toslink optical inputs that support up to 24-bit 192 kHz signals. This level of flexibility allows you to connect anything from a digital streamer and media server to a TV or gaming console. The Q5 serves as a full-fledged DAC, capable of becoming the central hub of any sophisticated digital audio setup. The front panel of the Michi Q is elegant and user-friendly. It features a full-color, high-resolution display that shows detailed playback information, including CD track names and even album artwork when available. The controls are minimal and intuitive, offering a satisfying tactile experience that complements the visual presentation. The design strikes a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. For users who prefer remote operation, the Q5 includes a sleek Michi-branded remote control that offers full access to playback and navigation features, making the overall experience seamless and enjoyable. For custom installers and users building more advanced home audio systems, the Michi Q5 comes fully equipped with RS-232 and Ethernet control interfaces. These features allow for easy integration with home automation platforms and third-party control systems. Whether you're managing your system through a universal remote or a smart home hub, the Q5 offers responsive and reliable communication protocols. The Ethernet port also enables firmware updates and IP control, ensuring long-term support and adaptability. This level of system integration makes the Q5 a professional-grade tool suitable for both personal and commercial environments. After spending time with the Rotel Michi Q5, it is clear that this is more than just a CD player. It is a precision digital transport and a high-end DAC combined into a beautifully engineered unit. The sonic performance is detailed, clean, and highly engaging across a variety of genres. Whether listening to jazz, orchestral pieces, or modern electronic music, the Q5 brings out subtle textures and dynamic contrasts with ease. The attention to detail in both build and sound quality makes this a standout product for anyone looking to enhance their digital audio chain. While it is certainly positioned in the premium category, the value it delivers through performance and design is undeniable. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the Rotel Michi Q5 CD player and DACs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to HiFi AV Tech for more high-end audio reviews and system guides. Drop your questions or thoughts about the Michi Q5 in the comments section, and let us know which gear you would like us to feature next. Until then, keep exploring great sound and stay connected with HiFi AV Tech.